American adventurer. He'll show you the way to be free.
There's yet another cargo ship. You see them left and right. Coming in, coming out. Look at all those Connex boxes. I can imagine what was in those.
American adventurer, he shows you the way to be free. He climbs over mountains, seas, across deserts where you
What
and
is that off in the distance?
big brown bears, alligators too.
I need to check this out a little bit closer. That's a hovercraft. I used to work on these hovercrafts. The Navy calls them LCAC. Them and their acronyms. L period, A period. But it stands for Landing Craft Air Cushion. These things are $41 million to build. 87 feet long and 47 feet wide. You can put my sailboat right dead smack in the middle of this thing. It's so large. There's only been 91 of these built. They have a crew of 5. And only 86 out of 91 is still in service. They can do 40 knots with a full load and a maximum of 70 knots. Their payload can go up to 70 tons. Abrams tanks, Humvees, anything they need to move. Massive. They put 210 knots of wind out the back. Every time I see them, I'm glad they're off in the distance because they'll push my sailboat right over. They have a watchful eye out.
Be there lightning or be there rain, American adventurer, he shows you the way to be
My port side seems awful nice, nothing around, enjoying the sun. But on my port is the hovercrafts going by, probably for sea trials. They're heading back to the Little Creek Amphibious Base. ACU-4. That's their destination. ACU, another acronym standing for Assault Craft Unit. They have 4 gas turbine jet engines, which, by the way, is 1.5 million apiece. 2 for the bow thrusters and the lift fan lifts for the cushion, and then the rear aft 2 engines for the fans. Believe it or not, I've actually worked on this one, going by number 37. One of the first ones I've worked on about 10 years ago. There in the distance you can see him heading right to a Little Creek Amphibious Base, Virginia Beach, Virginia.
show you the way to be free. American adventurer. He'll show you the way to be free. American adventurer. He'll show you the way to be free. American adventurer. He'll show you the way to